Hare Krishna, we are here with His Grace Shantatma Prabhu. So Prabhuji, would you like to tell us a bit about what service you're all doing here today?
Yeah, so today we have a big mission for today, and this is the first time that this has taken place here, at least for a very long time here in New Mayapur, is we're baling our own hay. Well, as you can see here, our baling team has already been through this field. You can see their machine at the end there. They've been through this field, and with a machine they've created these small bales of hay. And so this is fresh hay that's been grown here at New Mayapur on our fields. And it was cut a few days back, laid out to dry for a day or two maybe. And so now we're just collecting it, bringing it to our Goshala. And yeah, it's part of a revitalization of simple living and high thinking here at New Mayapur. And I'm very happy to be seeing this. Because in previous years, I've been here for about 3 years, and so far we haven't had this facility to make our own hay here. In previous years we were growing, but we had to bring somebody from the outside to actually harvest it, and the deal was that they would take a certain proportion of it. I think they would actually take most of it, most of the hay bales. But this year we get everything because we've got our own hay baling crew, and so we can just do everything with homegrown team effort here at New Mayapur.
Thank you so much to Shantatma Prabhu and the wonderful team of devotees. Wonderful service. Thank you so much.
Haribol.
Hare Krishna.
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya
Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya
Haribol, Rusika. So, first time after 20 years break in New Mayapur, we start to make hay for our cows. For our protected cows, we're making organic biological clean hay. Haribol. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, this is our first time, so we'll let you know after it will be finished. But we're hoping at least have some winter, maybe more.
Yes, a beautiful day for making hay. Hare Krishna. Yeah, it's thirsty work, and we get pizza later, so.
On a coupé l'herbe il y a 2 jours ou un jour. Ensuite, on l'a mélangé sur le sol pour que ça sèche. Et aujourd'hui, on a fait des ballots. Et on est en train de les stocker dans la grange.
Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Shri Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya
Getting pizza after working all day today. Thanks to our Vaishnavas.
Govinda Jaya Jaya Gopala Jaya Jaya Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jaya Jaya Shri Radha